Unity, empowering, celebrating. Education matters is the theme for the NJASA and NJPSA's 43rd Annual Spring Leadership Conference, and registration is now open. Hi, I'm Richard Bozza, Executive Director of the New Jersey Association of School Administrators, inviting you to join us on May 14th, 15th, and 16th at Caesars in Atlantic City. In addition to over 40 breakout sessions and exhibits, this year's conference will include practical advice sessions, running concurrent to the breakout sessions inside the exhibit hall. On May 14th, our opening day keynote speaker is the renowned principal and educational leader, Dr. Linda Cliatt-Wayman. She will share her experience and unwavering belief in the potential of all children and explain her practices for transforming schools. Dr. Cliatt-Wayman grew up in North Philadelphia and encountered firsthand the educational injustice perpetrated against students living in poverty. She has dedicated her life to helping students escape poverty through education, and her leadership and student successes earned much notoriety. She is an acclaimed 2015 TED Talk speaker with over 2 million viewers. She was featured on Diane Sawyer's ABC World News Tonight and Nightline, and her 2017 book, Lead Fearlessly, Love Hard, is beloved by educators. And in 2016, she was recognized as a top 50 finalist for the Global Teacher Prize out of 8,000 worldwide nominees. Dr. Cliatt-Wayman is truly driven by her love for children and ends each morning announcement by saying, "If no one told you they loved you today, remember I do and always will." On Thursday, May 15th, our special keynote speaker is the trailblazing actor, singer, and author, Ali Stroker. In 2015, Ali made history as the first actor to appear in a wheelchair on Broadway in Deaf West's acclaimed revival of Spring Awakening, as well as in her Tony Award-winning actor's role as Ado Annie in the 2019 revival of Rodgers and Hammerstein's Oklahoma, and can be heard on the Grammy-nominated cast album musical of the revival of Oklahoma. As you can see by her impressive list of regular appearances, Ali's an accomplished actor and an in-demand performer. Ali is also the proud author of middle grade novels, The Chance to Fly and Cut Loose, as well as her children's book, Ali and the Sea Stars. Ali Stroker is a remarkable talent who has made significant contributions to the arts, breaking barriers and inspiring audiences worldwide. But Ali's most proud roles are being mommy to Jesse and wife to David. Joining Ali on Thursday is Coach Jim Stroker, a dynamic educator, coach, motivational speaker with over 36 years of transforming lives through wellness and resilience, and Ali's very proud father. At Ridgewood High School in New Jersey, Coach Jim pioneered an award-winning wellness program, seamlessly integrating yoga, meditation, and mindfulness into both academic and athletic settings. As a varsity basketball coach for 18 years and a mentor in football and baseball, his innovative approaches earned him induction into the New Jersey Coaches Hall of Fame. In 2018, he was honored with the Distinguished Alumni Award at Ridgewood High School and recognized for his profound impact on the community. Demonstrating his commitment to student well-being, Coach Stroker created the Inspirational Hotline, delivering daily motivational messages to over 700 students and teachers. A former three-sport athlete at Ridgewood High School, Coach Stroker continued his athletic journey at Jacksonville University, earning a bachelor's degree, and later obtained a master's degree from Springfield College. Since retiring, he has become a sought-after life coach, leadership trainer, and keynote speaker, traveling nationwide to inspire diverse audiences, including Fortune 500 companies, the Navy SEALs, numerous schools, correction facilities, and rehabilitation centers in New York. Beyond his professional achievements, he is most proud of his 3 children, Ali being one of them, and his 5 grandchildren. As educational leaders, we face numerous daily and unexpected challenges. Our last session on Friday, May 16th will prepare you to navigate those situations and provide unique solutions to address "I didn't go to school for this" type of scenarios. Former NJASA President and Superintendent of Hamilton Township, Scott Rocco, and past Garden State Coalition of Schools President, Secretary, and current Superintendent of the West Windsor-Plainsboro District, Dr. David Adderhold, will be our general session joint presenters. You won't want to miss this year's Spring Leadership Conference, designed specifically for New Jersey administrators. Registration is free to NJASA members with up-to-date memberships. Register now at www.njasa.net. And remember, follow us on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Until next time, thanks for watching.